First thing you need to do is you need to go into the App Store and you need to get the Walpics app. It doesn't cost any money whatsoever. This basically allows you to have live wallpapers, and you can even customize your own if you have some videos or photos that you want to make one of your wallpapers. And they also have a bunch of presets in here as well. But basically when you get this app, you can see it can just exit out of that, so you don't have to actually use the subscription plan. And you can basically see right here when you're in the app, you can actually search for any wallpapers. If you want to search for anime, that will show you all of the live action ones like on the screen right here. Or if you scroll down past the home page, you can actually see all of the different types of wallpapers that they have in this app, the ones that rotate. Or if you like this one, you can simply click on it, click on the save option right here, and it'll basically click on continue, and then you can easily set this as your wallpaper in the app. And doing so will allow you to actually use any of these wallpapers. If you do want to make your own, you can actually just go to the AI option and you can actually make AI wallpapers. Or if you have the pro version, you can actually use your own photos and videos to make your own custom live wallpapers on the screen like so. Now when you're using this app, you can actually use any wallpaper that's not a live one without any cost. You just have to watch an ad like here, and then you click on the save without ads or get for free, and you'll basically watch a video. So you can actually use this wallpaper just on your phone, or you can actually take a screenshot if you want to use any of these like so, or modify it with this stopper right here. If you found this helpful, consider liking the video and subscribing down below.